Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving deep into the world of Apple Watch Ultra 2 accessories with a hands-on look at the S10 stainless steel case mod kit. This kit promises to transform your Ultra 2 with a rugged, stylish upgrade. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. This particular kit includes a stainless steel case in both 46mm and 49mm sizes, catering to different wrist sizes and preferences. Right out of the box, the quality of the stainless steel is apparent. It feels substantial and well-machined, giving a real sense of premium construction. The finish is smooth and polished, adding a touch of elegance to the Ultra 2's already robust design. One of the standout features of this mod kit is the inclusion of a metal button cover. This isn't just a cosmetic addition. It actually enhances the tactile feel of the buttons. Pressing the buttons with the cover installed feels more precise and satisfying. It's a small detail, but makes a noticeable difference in the overall user experience. The kit also comes with a folding buckle, a welcome alternative to the standard Ultra 2 band. The folding buckle is easy to use and provides a secure, comfortable fit. It's a nice touch that adds to the overall refined feel of the modded watch. Now, let's talk about installation. The process of installing the case and the other components is relatively straightforward. However, it does require a bit of patience and careful maneuvering. I recommend watching a few tutorial videos before attempting the installation yourself, just to get a feel for the process. Once installed, the case fits snugly and securely on the watch, with no noticeable gaps or wobbling. In terms of aesthetics, this mod kit definitely elevates the look of the Apple Watch Ultra 2. The stainless steel case adds a touch of sophistication and makes the watch feel even more premium. It's a great way to personalize your Ultra 2 and make it stand out from the crowd. However, there are a couple of things to consider. Adding a metal case like this will inevitably add some weight and bulk to the watch. While it doesn't feel overly heavy, it's something to be aware of if you're sensitive to weight on your wrist. Also, the stainless steel case might be more prone to scratches and scuffs compared to the titanium case of the standard Ultra 2. Overall, the S10 stainless steel case mod kit is a fantastic option for anyone looking to upgrade their Apple Watch Ultra 2. It offers a premium feel, enhanced functionality, and a stylish aesthetic. While it does add some weight and might be susceptible to scratches, the pros definitely outweigh the cons. If you're looking to give your Ultra 2 a unique and refined look, I highly recommend checking out this mod kit. It's a worthwhile investment that will transform your watch into a true statement piece.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.